to everybody. What's popping to everybody? And I'm gonna get started. As y'all get ready to chime in. Y'all, I got so many followers and stuff like that. I want to say what's popping. If you are one of my followers, if you are one of my people that's always my people, if you one of my people that's always my people, I want y'all to chime in. And make sure you tell somebody else when they chime in that they need to let me know that they in here. Because I wanna know. Hey, Mark. Mark, where you from? If you don't mind me asking. If you are in here, say what's popping, because we finna talk some stuff. I got all kind of stuff, y'all. I got bags. I got stuff I need to give away. Like, I need to do like a big yard sale. That's what I really need to do. I need to do like a huge yard sale so I can give this stuff away. And I ain't talking about just selling it. I'm talking about somebody that needs some stuff. That's what I need to be doing, is giving somebody some stuff. Hey, Bobby, if you in here and you one of my people and you always peopling with me, say what's popping. I'm going to show y'all some stuff, because I just be ordering stuff that I don't need, stuff that I need to give away. I just got all kind of stuff, y'all. So I'm going to hop right on into it, because I ain't going to try to hold up y'all whole day. But anyway, so for the ladies that's on here, y'all remember, hey, Kamisha, let me see who else on here. I need especially all of the women. I want to see y'all chime in. And the ladies that are on here, make sure y'all tell them, like, chime in so she can see y'all, because I want to connect. I got to connect with my stellar stars, okay? All right, so first, what we going to talk about first? I got all kinds of stuff, so I'm going to just open up some stuff. All right, so let's talk about this red dress. Y'all remember when I posted about that red dress? Oh, I got on some, look, I ain't got on nothing. I ain't got on nothing, child. I ain't got on nothing today. I ain't got on nothing, child. Nothing. Don't start with me today. I got on some little newspaper pants, y'all, some wide leg. Y'all know wide leg pants is in style, especially for the fall. But I'll get into that, because I'm going to do a video on that and let y'all know where y'all can find all of this, little cute stuff or whatever. All right? And I got your message too, sis, and that'll be a yes. I got your message. It just popped up, and that'll be a yes, okay? All right, so first of all, I'm going to start with something good first. I ain't even going to ask y'all whether y'all want good or bad, because I'm going to just start with the good, okay? Y'all, I don't know if nobody else like a Stanley Cup person, but this cup sold out, all right? This cup sold out. They so comfortable. This cup sold out, and let me show it to y'all. Look how they wrapped it. Y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. I'm about to lose my mind with something packaged good. Let me tell you something. Y'all, look what Stanley did. Let me show. Y'all see that? Woo, child. And somebody sent me some more stars, baby. Send me some more, because I do like Starbucks too. All right? But y'all, look how it came packaged. And I'm opening this. Don't talk about my nails. I can see y'all women trying to talk about my nail, but y'all, I'm going to tell y'all what happened with my nail. Let me tell you something. I was cooking something that I don't do all the time. I was cooking and I stuck my finger. You know, I just got the little vents in the stove part. Well, I was running my mouth and stuck my finger to pull the thing down, and my finger got stuck in there, and it broke the whole nail off. So I got mad. And I told him, take every last one of them off. That's what I did. So now I'm around here looking crazy by the nails, but that's okay. That's okay, because y'all know I'm coming back. All right? So I'm going to show y'all about this standard. Y'all see how it came wrapped? Because this cup sold out like soon as they put, this supposed to have been the Love Shack Fancy. It sold out as soon as they put them up. This one did. They still got like the water bottles or whatever. But y'all, look at this. Y'all, look at that. This is how this cup came packaged, okay? This for the people that's like Stanley cups, okay? All right, I'm doing this on live with y'all. I'm doing this on live with y'all, okay? And I almost don't, okay. I'm doing this on live. I have not opened this up, so we are seeing this together. All right, so that's how it look in the box. I just took the ribbon off. Let's see what the cup actually look like. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. Anybody else got anything else for me? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Stanley, okay. Stanley was not playing when they sent this. This would have been a beautiful gift to give to somebody. This would have been a beautiful gift. There is no way that I even want to keep this to myself. I have so many Stanley cups, but something this beautiful should be given to somebody else that's just a beautiful woman that's in my life that I'm surrounded by. Because just look at the packaging. It's just, this is beautiful, y'all. This is how it came. All right. Look at that cup, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? That's how it came. Like, I wish that I just would have bought this and just gifted it to somebody, because even though it is extremely beautiful, I mean, I'm grateful to have it a part of my cup collection, because y'all know I'm a cup mother. But this is just one of those things where I really wish that I would have bought this and let somebody else open this box up and not myself. I really do. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but if I would have thought really clear about this purchase, I would have purchased it for somebody else. And let me show y'all the straw, because I think I'm going to gift this to somebody. I don't want to take it all the way out. So let me see if I can show y'all the straw without taking it all the way out. Can y'all see the straw up there? Y'all see the straw? It's really nice. I'm not even going to take it out. I think I'm going to gift this to somebody. I just hate that I tore the paper off of it. The gift wrap paper off of it. I hate I did that. If I would have known it was going to be this pretty, I would not have done that. I would have just gifted this to somebody else. But anyway, y'all, we going to move on, because that's just, whew, go on, Stanley. Now, let me talk about just the other stuff that I just be buying for no reason. Some stuff I just be buying for no reason. Now, I don't know if anybody else just get the weirdest stuff across their timeline and then be weird enough to even freaking buy it and try it. Y'all, why did I buy some, what is this called? Eyeliner. It's called Miss Rose Professional Makeup. It's like an eye shimmer or something like that. Y'all, why did I buy this? Why? Why? Please tell me why. Why? Look at that. Anybody that know me personally know I got the littlest eyes there is, baby. I don't even know how I'm supposed to see out of these little bit of eyes I got. Y'all see that? All right. I ain't got much eye, and I definitely ain't got that much eyeball. So I don't even know why I spent my money on some eyeliner. Y'all know what? I am in there cooking eggs, and guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to burn the eggs up. Hold on, y'all. Let me go turn my eggs off. Lord, I done almost burnt my eggs up. Y'all wasn't gonna say nothing. Y'all were gonna let me burn my eggs up in there. I almost burned my eggs up, and I had to go turn them off. But anyway, I don't know if anybody else seen this, but I guess you're just supposed to kind of put it on there like that. You know, and it's supposed... Wasteful. 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 I don't even know why I bought that. But anyway, y'all, let's finish talking stuff, okay? Because I just got a whole bunch of stuff in here. I just want to share it with y'all and let y'all know what's popping, okay? All right, so we got that. I'm going to reuse that paper. Don't play with me. I took it off neatly. All right, y'all remember that red dress that I posted? Who remember that red dress that I posted on Facebook? It was so cute. Everybody liked that red dress. And let me tell you something. I liked it too. I did. I liked it. And so I went and I bought it. Okay? So this is what it looked like straight out the bag, y'all. This is what it looked like straight out the bag. And I actually bought it in a large. That bow was just flopping around on there. I don't really like that. I don't really like that that bow was flopping around like that. But, you know, hey, the back, the buttons are actual functioning buttons, y'all. Now, let me just say something. Let me just be very clear. I mainly like affordable fashion because I understand that we got to live outside of buying clothes and stuff like that. So I like affordable fashion. All right. So this is on the, I wouldn't say the high end of affordable, but it is up there. It is like one dress or pantsuit may cost $50 to $70 or something like that. So for me, being that I like AliExpress and Shein and other places like that, I'm not really a Fashion Nova girl. I don't really like put my card in a lot of different places. But anywho, I'm gonna move on from that. I just probably just ain't seen nothing on there that just struck me to just go ahead and buy it, buy from there. But anyway, so I really want to try out this company mainly because of this dress. And if I had to give it, because we like to give it our stellar stars. If I had to give it, I would give it about 3 stars. And I would give it 3 stars because I feel like I could have bought this dress from somewhere a little bit cheaper. Okay? I feel like I could have bought something like this for just a little bit cheaper. So for that, I'm not going to give them, 5 stellar stars. I'm going to give them like 3 for that, okay? Because I feel like I could have. But the length is good. The material does not give at all. It's not forgiving at all. It's not forgiving at all. So not too bad. The other 2 pieces, y'all, you'll have to watch the YouTube video for that one. Because let me tell you something. The other 2 pieces, I'll show them to y'all, but the other 2 pieces, this was like a long sundress. And the reason why I wasn't a fan of this one is that boob area. Like baby, no. And it was a lot. I bought all of this in a large. So, and that's because your girl is a little thick now. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to lose. When I lose about 10 pounds, then I won't be as thick no more. All right? But right now, your girl is a little thick. Okay? So, and I got some other stuff down here, y'all. I got some other stuff down here that I probably need to go ahead and open so I can hang up. Oh, that's a workout outfit. Nobody don't really want to see them. Nobody really don't want to see my workout outfit. But let me touch on that too. So as far as workout outfits, like I get most of my workout outfits from AliExpress. So the ones that you all see me wearing, if you see me with a workout outfit on and I posted my picture, it either comes from Savage Fenty or it comes from AliExpress. I really don't buy a lot of workout clothes from Shein or Shein or whatever. I really don't buy a lot of workout clothes because it's kind of iffy. Sometimes it's not thick enough. But certain materials, like I've learned, works better for me. Like this one that I just bought. It came in from AliExpress. And I like the material because it holds you in. All right. So this is like a one piece, y'all. A lot of y'all will wear these one pieces out. But this was like a one piece. And as y'all can see how thick that is and how thick that material is or whatever. So I like go back and get different colors of the same thing from AliExpress for the most part because I really don't like to get my workout clothes and they're very, very thin. So that is that. Other than that, y'all, like we ain't got nothing popping. Still ain't got nothing popping. Nothing that's really, going on. Just trying to broaden my base. Really trying to work on my YouTube. Really trying to get my Stellar Stars back pumping. Make sure, and ladies and gentlemen, make sure that if you see a Stellar Star out there, you see an outfit or whatever, you got an outfit on and you thought you was, doing the most in it, send it to me so I can go ahead and post it. And I can send you yours, So I have gotten back into that, y'all. It's just been, life has definitely been doing what they call lifing, but it's no complaints there. It's just, I understand as I've grown and as I've matured, there is a season of ups and downs. And when you are up, you should be planning for a season and planning and storing away things for your down season. You're not going to always be down. You're not going to always be up, So with me knowing that, even when I'm down, I'm positive because I know I'm not going to stay down. That's just not how it works. You know what I'm saying? That's not how it works when you have faith anyway. You just know that that's just your season. You know what I'm saying? That's your season to be down. And when you are reaping an overflow, your harvest is overflowing, then you should be storing something up. You should be storing something up. So right now, whatever season that you're in, and this is Stella just simply talking stuff. If you are in your season of plentifulness, if right now you got more to store away, don't spend it all. Don't spend it all. Store something away because you're not always going to be up. That's just life. That's just life and how it works. So always try to store something away for that season that's coming up. And I always say my season when I'm down, when I'm in that season, I call that my fasting season because I fast even more during that time. You should be fasting and praying at all times, even when your harvest is plentiful. But it's something about when God take you through something. I don't care what nobody say. It's something about when God take you through a drought. It's something about it. It strengthens that bond with God because sometimes we've been a little bit hard-headed. I can speak for Stella. Sometimes you just get a little hard-headed and get a little beside yourself. And sometimes God have to be like, you know what? We're going to put you in the desert right now, Denise. We're going to put you in a drought-like, area just so that you'll understand what to do, how to act when you go back into the other side of plentifulness. But anyway, y'all, I ain't trying to go into all of that. I wasn't trying to go into all of that. I just wanted to talk a little stuff with y'all on this Saturday. I'm going to hop off of here. Thank you so much for the Stellar Stars. Thank y'all for tuning in. I will post my YouTube. I want to see some of y'all on my YouTube too. Or whatever, because I'm trying to get that up and going as well. So y'all have a really good weekend. Your girl Stella is out. All right.